guys, so today I am filming my Bachelor predictions for Colton Underwood season, whatever number it is. I'm very excited to do this. I've done this for like the last 4 or 5 seasons. No, maybe like 2 or 3 seasons. But this is pretty much just my predictions after night 1. Last night was night 1 of the season, the premiere. So it's kind of my opinions of the premiere and like the girls and, you know, him. And then also kind of who I think maybe he'll be in like the top 4 or like who will stick around the longest, who I think sucks and things like that. Obviously this could all change. I haven't read any kind of predictions. The only thing I'm basing this off of is night 1 and the commercial, I guess, for the rest of the season that they show at the end. So here are just some things I wrote down. I took some notes while I was watching last night. We're gonna get into, and then we're gonna get into some of the girls. Obviously I'm not gonna talk about all 30 because that video would be so long. I will put their pictures in, so like if you don't know their names, you just know what they look like, because the only reason I know their names is because I wrote it down when the show was airing. But one of my questions is, what does Colton do? Like, other than being a former NFL player, like what's his job? Also, everyone's like, oh, he's such a controversial choice. Like, was he though? Because I thought he was a pretty freaking easy choice. Like, sure, he's young and, you know, being a virgin could cause some hiccups for him, like him not knowing what he wants, and like, you know, who knows, what if he has sex with one of these girls and then it's like, oh my god, maybe I'm not ready. Like, you never know, but that could happen to anyone. Could have a 40-year-old bachelor and he still doesn't know what he wants. So I don't think he was a controversial choice. They keep talking about it. They are definitely talking about his virginity way too much. Like, we know it. Okay, great, let's move on. Can we just not, like, I can tell he's over it literally from like night 1, like he was over it so fast. Something I can already tell is happening just from night 1 is this happens every season, no matter who is the Bachelor or the Bachelorette. I'm like happy about it going in. So what we've seen from Colton on Becca's season and on Paradise, I liked him because not that he was so ready or like is great Bachelor material, but he is kind of charming. I liked him because he didn't seem super fake to me. He seemed pretty genuine, especially on Paradise. Like, I feel like there was a lot of parts at like the end of the episode where they aired, like when everyone was just like talking randomly, and he was really funny. And I felt like, yeah, he was with Tia and like couldn't make up his mind and stuff, but like at least he was honest about it. But I can tell Arie from night 1, he has to put on, anyone who becomes a Bachelor, the Bachelor has to have this like I can't go this way and I can't go this way. Everyone has to like them. So I can just tell I'm getting this vibe that he's like being a little fake, and I don't like it. I've always found him so like genuine. Also the girls, a lot of them are like 22, 23. If we didn't think he was ready, are they ready? Also, I'm sorry, Becca, the one who's pregnant now, can't remember her last name. I always liked her. She was 22 and everyone's like, oh, she's not ready for marriage. And are these girls ready? And no one's questioning them. Like, what? And they're kind of just going in order, I guess, how they came on the TV or how I wrote them down here. Okay, Cassie is the speech pathologist. I thought she was really cute. I thought her dress, I think, was super casual. Like, everyone else had like these gowns on. She looked like she had like a beach dress on. I think I got the right person. She, I think, did the thing with the butterflies, like, oh, you can be butterflies, and then like dump them out of the box. She just felt like she's gonna blend into the background. I don't even know if she's still on it, to be honest. I don't even know if he kept her. If she sticks around, she'll be on Paradise, but like no one will remember who she is. Hannah B was the one who had her like package in the beginning part, said that she was Miss Alabama, but she didn't wear the sash like the other girl. We had 2 Miss Americas or whatever. Hannah B, from her package, felt very self-involved to me. Not that she was like a villain character, but she just didn't feel genuine to me. She's really pretty and she's cute, and I liked her enough once he met her, but she also kind of felt like, to me, she's gonna focus more on the other relationships. Like, if she's not the villain, she's gonna be the girl that like complains about the villain a lot. That's the vibe I got. Katie, 26, is one of my favorites. She seems very mature, and he did kiss her. I think what he kissed 3 people on night 1, maybe 4, and she was one of them, and I really, really like her. Like, I really hope she sticks around for a long time. She was very, very genuine, and they actually had a really strong connection. Next up, we have Heather. She's 22 from California. She's the one who says she's never been kissed. I already don't like her. I don't think that's true. She could be telling the truth, but like, you never really know. She just, it's one thing to be a virgin, it's another thing to never have been kissed. She's obviously never been in a serious relationship if you've never been kissed. I just don't trust her. I find her to be very immature, and it seems like she already has a puppy love thing going on for him. Like, a lot of the girls are like, oh, he's gorgeous, or, you know, from what I saw last season, he's my type of guy, but she just seems like she's already like has this teenager love for him. And I don't buy it. I'm gonna say her name wrong. Onyeka. I'll put it on the screen. She's from Dallas, and I think that She definitely seems like a lot, but she said that herself. Like in her package, she said that she's a lot to handle, and she knows it. And I think that's something I appreciate. Kind of reminds me of Corinne. Kind of someone who isn't trying to act like, oh, I'm so quiet and great, and like, let me just act like this, you know? I feel like she actually is like, you know what, I am a lot to handle. I'm loud and I do this, and like, she's owning it, and I like that. Next is one of my favorites from the premiere, but I can tell from the commercials going forward she might be in some drama. I don't think she's gonna make it to the top 4, but I want her to. Like, I personally like her, but I don't know that he's gonna like her. I feel like she seems too blatant. Is that a bad word to describe her? The way she was talking on night 1 is like the way I would be talking, but that's why I would never go on the show, if that makes sense. Like, she seems super, super real, almost too real to be on the show. Her name is Nicole, if I didn't say. She's from Miami. She speaks Spanish, and she's the one who said that her brother has autism, and she's very close to her family, and like, I just really connected with her from the 2 minutes I saw of her. I think she had a green dress on. She just seemed the most real. She said something about the glittery dresses that I really was like, yes, oh my god. I really, really did like her. I don't know that she even got any time with him. I was actually surprised when he didn't send her home, just because she didn't like make a splash. Like, I really liked her, but I just didn't notice her much after the beginning. Okay, next is Kirpa. She's the dental hygienist. She has a very high-pitched voice. She reminds me of Taylor. If you guys remember Taylor, she didn't drink. She was with Derek for a while, but they broke up. She really reminds me of her. I don't know if it's the way she looks or the way she talks. Something about her reminds me of her. She's really pretty. I didn't like her dress at all. Like, I hated her dress. It was like strapped and sparkly and like very, I don't even know. I didn't like it. I can tell she's probably gonna stick around a little while. I think from the commercial for the rest of the season, it seems like she might stick around for a while. There's some people I just don't feel a connection with, and like, maybe he'll like her as a friend. I just don't see like a connection there. Demi is the one I really, really don't like. She is the one that she said her mom is in jail. I think she's the first one that came out of the moment with the yellow dress on. She was like, I know he's attracted to me. I don't like her. She feels like a villain to me. And she is 23. She looks like she's 12. And she, I think, also said something to him like, oh, I haven't dated a virgin since I was 12. Like, what? I feel like he kind of likes her. I feel like she's a villain, like, in, you know, a child's clothing. I don't know. I might be wrong, but she gives me a vibe, like a villain vibe. Tasha, is that how I pronounce it? All I wrote down is that she seemed genuine. That's literally all I wrote down for her. Another one of my favorites is Kaylin, Miss North Carolina. She's so pretty. Like, literally, she's gorgeous. She might be one of my favorites. I mean, she is one of my favorites, but she might be like, I feel like she could be in like the top 30. She wore the sash, and at first I was like, oh my god, when she came out of the limo, I was like, girl, like, I get you're Miss North Carolina, but like, geez. But then when she like flipped it and it said Miss Underwood, I was like, oh my god, I like that, that's cute. That's funny. He seemed to get a kick out of it. They did kiss. I think she was the first one he kissed too, and I think that says a lot. I was surprised that she didn't get the first impression rose. I really thought she was going to, but I really like her, and I really feel like they had a connection. Okay, and then we have Sydney. She's the one who said she quit her job to move here. She's the one who taught him how to dance. Like, they were doing the dancing thing out in front of the house. She's cute. I'm pretty sure she was on Ellen. If you guys watched on Ellen, met like 4 of them. He really only met one of them, but like, there's 4 girls I think that he could have met, maybe 3. She was definitely one of them. I like her. I thought they were gonna kiss after the dancing, and they didn't, so I feel like that tells me he's not sure about her. Elise, she's 31 and he's 26, and like, that's not, I mean, personally, I can't date someone younger. I just can't. But I don't know. I feel like she's too mature for him. It does seem like she's gonna stick around for a while though. I just didn't really get a vibe. Like, I didn't get like their connection. Next we have Caitlin. I think she's from Canada. A lot of people are saying she looks a lot like Caitlin Bristow. I liked her a lot actually. Her dress was gorgeous. She had this red dress on that was like a high neck. Oh, so pretty. I think she's the one who popped the cherry balloon thing, and everyone who made a joke about the virginity, I'm just like, can you not? But I liked her. I feel like she's gonna stick around for a while. She made an impression on me. There's a couple people I wrote down their names and I didn't write anything. That just means they didn't make an impression on me. Alex B is the one who brought like the signs and like wrote stuff out. She said she was sick. I don't know. He kept her around and he was like, oh, I wish I could talk to her. I don't know. Something about her is off. I feel like she's not gonna last long. Brie is the model who had the fake Australian accent. I really liked her. Obviously we know she told him that night, like, we know that, because she's not gonna keep that fake accent all night. When she accepted his rose, she didn't have it anymore. So obviously she said something to him and he didn't think it was like rude or mean or anything. I think she's gorgeous. I really like her a lot. I don't feel like she's gonna last that long though, because I don't remember seeing her in the commercial for the rest of the season, so I do feel like she's gonna get in Paradise and like make a splash there. Another of my favorites is Hannah G. She's cute. She's the one who gave him the box and was like, oh, I got your favorite underwear and it was empty. Very funny. She's the one who got the first impression rose. I like her. She just seemed genuine when he gave her the first impression rose. I didn't expect that because I feel like we didn't see anything of her until he gave it to her. I got a vibe. Like they were sitting very close, and I just felt like she was really genuine about like appreciating that he gave it to her. And she wasn't like, oh my god. She just felt normal. Like I felt like she kind of gave him a vibe of like, we're dating in the beginning of dating and like getting to know each other, not like all the other girls. I don't know. Annie, not Anne, Annie. She is the one that he met on Ellen. She's blonde, which doesn't give you much to go off of because they're all are. She's the one who won the thing on Ellen, and then they met. I think she has like 6 dogs or something crazy like that. I liked her, but I feel like he's gonna keep her around for a while, but I don't know if she's gonna make a big impression. Catherine is the one everyone hates. She's the one who's stolen like 4 times. She's the one with the dog Lucy. The whole dog thing, I get bringing your dog on night 1. Like, oh cute, you're memorable. Is she really giving him her dog to take care of during this process? Like she wants this dog to fly around the world? Like what? I don't really get it. Like I didn't get that at all. She does not seem like his type to me. I don't trust her at all. The fact that she talked to that girl, that's what bothered me, is that the fact that she talked to that girl and didn't just say like, tough shit, like I know what I want and I'm gonna go after it, I'm not gonna apologize for it. Like she made it seem like, oh, like now that I know, thanks for telling me. Like she acted like she wasn't gonna go steal him again, and then she did. Like that's what rubbed me the wrong way. And the fact that he picked her last, gave her the last rose, I think, tells me that the producers were like, okay, you gotta give her a rose because she's drama. Tracy is the fashion police girl who came in the cop car. I don't like her. I don't know what it is, but just like a vibe she gave me was like she is gonna complain about not getting time with him, but like never go up and try to get time with him. And the sloth girl she went home to, I didn't like her, to be honest. Like I thought, okay, it's cute, it's funny, but like as soon as you like got up to meet him, like after she did that whole sloth, like I'm a sloth, nice to meet you, blah blah blah, like all slow, you think that she would have taken it off so you could see what she looked like. You're not gonna make a good impression if you can't see what the person looks like. Like when Alexis did that, I think on Ben's season, right? Or was that Nick's season? I can't remember. But when Alexis Waters did it and like wear the shark dolphin thing, you could still see her face. You know what I mean? Like I feel like that's just, he had to be able to see her face and he didn't, and that's why she went home. And I think that's all the people I wrote down. I'm sure there's obviously more, that wasn't 30, but those are the people that made an impression on me, and I wonder what you guys think. So leave me a comment down below letting me know what you think, who's your favorite, who didn't you like. And then we see him later on like leaving like the gate, like running away. Like what? That right there tells me he's not ready for marriage. The fact that he just walks away. It looks like an interesting season, so I'm excited about it. And these are my top 3. I don't have a top 4, but these are my top 3 that I like the most, that I hope are gonna make it till the end. And then there's one that I don't think will, but I still like her. Katie is one of my favorites for sure. I think she's gonna make it to at least the top 4. Nicole, like I said, I love her. She's not gonna make it to the top 7. I can tell you right now. I really don't think she's gonna make it to like the top 7. And then we have Kaylin, which is Miss North Carolina, who I also really like a lot. I think she's gonna last for a while. And then we have Hannah G, who is the one he gave the first impression rose to. And I feel like everyone who's giving you a prediction has to pick the girl that gets the first impression rose, because almost every year the person who gets the first impression rose at least makes it to the top 2 or 3. I had to put her in there. I did like her though. I really did feel like they had a connection. And also guys, make sure if you want to, you know, see my tweets or what I think about the show while it's airing, that you follow me on Twitter. But that's it for my Bachelor predictions video for Colton Underwood. Oh my god, how annoying is it going to be when everyone says Colton, Colton, Colton? Like that's just an annoying name. Because all we heard was Tia say all Paradise, and now we're going to hear all these girls, Colton, 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 Colton. Like it's getting annoying. Hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.